let's talk about financial freedom and how you can get there, step by step, starting with a budget that actually fits your life. If budgeting has ever felt overwhelming or restrictive, stick with me. This guide is all about making your money work for you, not the other way around. First things first, figure out your why. What's driving you? Maybe you're dreaming of owning your own place, want to finally wipe out those student loans, or just want some breathing room in case life throws you a curveball. Knowing what you're working toward makes it so much easier to stay motivated when you're tempted to splurge. Next, take a close look at your income. Write down every source, your paycheck, side gigs, freelance projects, even that occasional cash from selling old stuff online. Be real about what lands in your account after taxes and deductions. Now, let's tackle expenses. List everything you spend money on each month. Start with the basics: rent, utilities, subscriptions. Then add groceries, coffee runs, nights out, anything and everything, no matter how small. Don't forget those annual or one-off expenses either. Just divide them by 12 to get a monthly average. Once you've got your expenses, group them into categories. Needs, things you absolutely have to pay for, like housing and food. Wants, the fun stuff, like streaming or eating out. And savings or debt payments. Cover your essentials first, then see what's left for the extras and your financial goals. Speaking of goals, set ones that are realistic and clear. Decide how much you want to save or pay off each month. Keep it specific and achievable. You'll be surprised how motivating those small wins can be. When it comes to budgeting methods, pick one that matches your style. Some people swear by the 50-30-20 rule. Others like zero-based budgeting where every dollar has a purpose. If you love tech, try a budgeting app that tracks things automatically. There's no one-size-fits-all. Do what works for you. Check in with your budget regularly, whether it's once a week or every month. Track your progress, celebrate the wins, and don't be afraid to tweak things if your situation changes. Life happens, and your budget should be flexible enough to roll with it. One more thing. Build up an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. It sounds like a lot, but even small contributions add up over time, and having that cushion will help you sleep better at night. Accountability helps too. Share your goals with a friend, partner, or online community. When someone else knows what you're working toward, it's easier to stay on track, even when things get tough. And finally, don't forget to celebrate your progress. Every milestone counts, no matter how tiny. Treat yourself, within reason, when you hit a goal. It keeps you motivated and reminds you why you started. Remember, budgeting isn't about saying no all the time. It's about giving yourself more options and less stress. With patience and consistency, you'll start seeing results, feeling more in control, and moving closer to that financial freedom you deserve. One step at a time, you've got this.